we can actually drop in some blue Jolly Ranchers. Got my mug, got my Jolly Ranchers. So I need to melt some Jolly Ranchers on here. I like that little groove right there. Let's see what's up. All right, this one's crazy. So while that's cooling down, I can make a straw, a Jolly Rancher straw. Spray first, red, green, blue, and then red. Perfect. Now let's put this in the oven. Oh yeah, perfect. That's my straw. Give this a nice little spray. Ice! Green apple vodka. Now most green apple vodka ain't green. Mine is because I'm special. But typically if you go to the store, this can be clear, okay? So if it's clear, still get it. Then we got sour apple pucker, okay? You know, because of my apple Jolly Ranchers. And then we got a little bit of Madurai. This is a melon liqueur. This look yellow more than green. This is America. Let's just drop one in, you know? Then we can hit it with a little bit of lemon lime. Okay guys, we can actually drop in some blue Jolly Ranchers and just give them a light blend. Look in there, look at all the pieces. Beautiful. Come in with my little straw. Beautiful. And there you have it. The Jolly Rancher Delight. Okay, beautiful. Didn't think the straw was gonna work, right? Dude, when you start the straw, you're getting 2 sets of sweetness. This is, Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Stay tipsy.